Thank you, Paulson, for giving us the chance to showcase how FieldTask can help high-level agency owners who are serving the home service industry to turn HighLevel into a complete field service management software. So once you install it from the app marketplace, the process is really simple. You need to go to app marketplace and then search for FieldTask. When it shows up, you select the sub account you want to install for, and once you install it, the FieldTask gets added on the bottom left corner, and you can access it from the HighLevel portal, and the login credential gets sent to the locations uh, business email or the location email, and also gets sent to the agency owners admin email as well. So you can just log into FieldTask from there, and everything operates inside HighLevel, so you'll be able to access it all inside HighLevel. And also when you are selling it to your client, they can access it from your agency's dashboard. So whatever white label agency you are creating, they can access all features and everything inside HighLevel. And if I go with the features one by one, so this is the dashboard, and here you'll be getting idea of everything that is going inside your clients day-to-day operations and the field service management. So if you see over here, you can see the jobs for today. So if there are any revenues today, so any invoices getting paid will be showing up over here. Any due invoices will be also showing up over here, and the number of invoices that has been raised. And after that, you'll be able to check the attendances, the top performers on your organization based on the number of jobs they're performing. So basically what it does is, let's say I have a plumbing or let's say cleaning business. So I have some technicians who work on the field. So whatever number of jobs they're doing based on their working hours or and the job number, FieldTask will be giving you a top performer overview. It will also show you a brief idea like what are the to-do jobs, completed or missed jobs, and these other revenue data will be also showing up over here, and you can see the top customers you have. Now I'll be going inside the features that we integrate with HighLevel and how it gives you a total unified experience. So once you install it from the HighLevel app marketplace, it automatically syncs with the contract that you have inside HighLevel, so you don't need to set up manually anything, and you will be getting all the customers inside it. So whenever any technicians or anyone is on the field, they can use it from their mobile app and create any tasks. So the process is really simplified now, like with HighLevel. And you can also integrate the scheduling calendar that we have. So let's say I just want to see or create any tasks inside HighLevel, and I want my team to be dispatched on the field. So what you need to do is you can just come inside your HighLevel calendar, and after that you select the calendar where you want to create an appointment on. So let's say I have all this created over these different dates, and once I am creating those will be automatically sent to FieldTask. So your technicians on the field is getting dispatched in real time. And if you come over here in the scheduling, the similar job and everything is showing up over here. So this is really streamlined. You can just click over here, you can see all the details, like whatever the service is or the assignees, you can edit it from here, and it will be also syncing with HighLevel as well. So basically you are giving your customer a very streamlined experience, like let's say setting up with Jobber or House Call Pro or any other services. Like if you use FieldTask, you get everything inside HighLevel. And after that, we also integrate the route optimization. So route optimization is a very important thing within the home service industry. So whoever needs route optimization can be done based on the appointment that you book inside HighLevel. So as I have shown you the calendar part, you can just come over here and then select optimize route. And let's say for this employee, I want to optimize the route, and whatever appointment is booked in his calendar, you can just see over here, and whatever route you want to optimize, you can just select it and optimize the route. And once you do it, it will be showing up something like this. So let's say I want to see it in the map, how it looks. So it is saying that this is the best way to start and finish the job. So number one job will be here, number 2, 3, and 4 will be here. So you can do it. And let's say I want to know how it looks on the Google map. like let's say I'm driving and I want to get a real-time navigation. So you just need to click on Google Map. You can do it from the mobile app as well. And if you see over here, it is giving me the real-time data on which job I need to attend first, second, third, and fourth, and it goes on whatever number of jobs you have. And FieldTask will be also giving you the route map of your employee. So let's say I want to know the route map of this employee, like wherever he was on, let's say 8th of this month. So I just need to select the date, and if you see over here, the route map of this employee is showing up. And if I click over here, I can see the clock in and clock out time. And if you see on these little arrows, you can actually click on it, and you will be able to know the exact time and location where the employee was at that place. So this is really helpful for service businesses. And if I go with the, like let's say, job dispatching and things like that, so one part was like creating everything inside HighLevel and everything getting dispatched automatically with FieldTask. And the other way can be like creating jobs in HighLevel and those getting synced with FieldTask. And the jobs you are seeing over here is also like the appointment you creating inside HighLevel. So all those details you have over here, and once the employees are assigned, they will be getting notifications on their mobile app so they can complete their job from there. And if I want to know the details, I just need to click over here. So what benefit you get with FieldTask is it also gives you the features like tracking, knowing the exact location, raising the invoices, knowing the timesheet, knowing the attendance, calculating the payroll, and overall, it actually unifies the dispatching with HighLevel, and it helps in tracking and optimizing. So if you see over here, so this, let's say this was a job, let's say the job name was move out cleaning, and these are the assigned to these two employees, and whenever they start working, FieldTask will be giving you the check-in and check-out time, the total duration they have worked, and once they start working, obviously the status will be changed, and once it is done, it will show completed. And after completing the job, they can actually upload evidences. Like with other system, you may need to set up 2 or 3 different integration, like let's say for collecting evidences and things like that. But with FieldTask, you get everything in one place. So how the evidences will look like? So for that, you just need to go to job approval, or you can just go to all jobs as well, and you can select the date range for that you want to check for. So let's say I want to know all the jobs that has been completed, let's say from 1st of this month to this date. I can just click on apply, and after that, if you see over here, you get different statuses. So let's say I want to know completed job only, so I just select completed, and after that I'll be seeing up all the jobs that has been completed. So let's say I can see that these 100% completed, and I want to see the images that employee has uploaded or the note after completing the job. So if you see over here, I just clicked on it, and I can see it was assigned to one of the employee, the place where he has completed, the check-in and check-out time, the total duration they have worked, and after completing the job, the images that he has uploaded. So I just need to click over here, and if you see over here, it has a location stamp and timestamp on it. And if the employee within the app can also add audio recording, like let's say they have a feedback, hey boss, this went well, or this was a mistake from my side, or whatever they have, they can just add it from the app, and you can view it or hear it from here. So yeah, this is really cool experience with filters, and you can have all those inside HighLevel. And you can view the employee note as well, which is here. And if I go with the other features that you can find very helpful for your, like let's say, client, like home service client, it can be plumbing, it can be electrician, roofing, it can be pool service. So it can be basically any business, whoever is working on the field. Now let's say all the job has been completed, now I want to raise an invoice. So the technicians will be able to raise an invoice from the mobile app whenever they are on the field. So what they need to do is, after completing the job, they just need to raise an invoice from the mobile app, and the invoices will be sent from the HighLevel portal as well. So what you are giving is, you are basically creating a one app where everything can be done. So the way it works is, like, if you have Stripe set up already inside HighLevel, FieldTask will be sending these invoices back to your HighLevel portal. So where it will be sending it is, you just need to go to payments, and if you see over here, so all the invoices is getting synced over here. And as you know, the process is really simple. If you have the Stripe setup, you can collect the payment from here as well. So you can see all the invoices are getting synced, and you can play with it. Like, you can set up automations, workflow, or pipeline, whatever it is, you can do it. And we have other cool integration as well. So let's say I have a workflow, or let's say the way my business operate is, I raise an invoice to the client, and once the client approves the invoice, my team will be dispatched. So this integration is already there inside FieldTask. So the way it works is, you just need to work inside HighLevel. Let's say I'm sending an invoice to one of my client. So you select the customer, whoever it is, as the customer is already syncing with FieldTask. FieldTask will be picking up the customer location from HighLevel, customer email address, customer contact, and every other details. And once you send it to the customer, and once the customer approves it, uh, the job will be created with all the details, like, let's say, all the product. In HighLevel, you can actually create product catalog and manage inventory. So whatever product or things you are setting up inside HighLevel, those will be also added to FieldTask when the job is being dispatched. So it is really wholesome experience. So let's say I just want to add this service, and I want to add maybe another service. Like, let's add more item. This is the other item I'll be adding. And after that, I want to send this estimate. So once I send it, it will be sent from your agency, whatever white label agency you have for that client. So it will be sent to the customer, the end user, and once he approves it, the job will be automatically dispatched via FieldTask. So what better it could be, like, it is so I would say so streamlined that your client will stick to your agency. Like, if you think of HighLevel is awesome. Like, whatever it does, like, nurturing leads, turning leads into client, then collecting reviews and things. There was a missing gap for the home service industry, where previously you need to set up a lot of API integrations, let's say Zapier's, Zap, and things like that. But with FieldTask, it is just few clicks. You go to App Marketplace, you select the account you want to install for, and everything gets synced. And if I go back again to the payments here, any product that you are creating over HighLevel, let's say you are managing, or the client that you have, home service client, they have multiple product or services they are offering. Let's say it's a cleaning business, so they have some sort of product list, and they want to automate the process. Whenever something is dispatched automatically, the pricing will be picked from the product list they have. So with FieldTask, you can do it all inside HighLevel. And recently we have added one more cool feature, which is basically sending the timesheet back to HighLevel. So, like, let's say you want to create a report for your customer, like, let's say the plumbing business that is using your service is also, or cleaning business also, want to send a report to their customer, or create custom invoices based on the working hours. So with FieldTask, what you will be able to do is, whatever work hours is there, those will be getting synced with HighLevel. And if you see over here, I just clicked on timesheet. So all the timesheet that was generated by the cleaning company or the home service business that is there is getting synced here. And if you click over here, you can find all the details, like check-in and check-out time and everything. So basically you are getting everything inside HighLevel, like from dispatching to tracking and route optimizing. So you can do it all inside HighLevel now. And after that, if I go back again to FieldTask, what FieldTask offers extra, like, On top of this, maybe some of your client also need a payroll calculation. So with FieldTask, you can set up the hourly rate of your employees. So whatever the hourly rate is, you just need to go to members, and from here you can set up the pay rate of your employees. And once you set that up, based on his pay rate, the payroll will be calculated. And it is super helpful. Lots of agency owner is already using this for their client, and we have been getting a very good feedback for this sort of features. You can also, like the cleaning business or home service business that is using your agency or services, they can also get the attendance report of their employees. And recently we have added one more feature. So let's say I have created few appointments in the calendar that I have. As you can see over here, let's say these the 4 appointments I have on 10th of this month, and I want to know wherever it is taking place. So what I can do is, you can't visualize it over here, like you can't view it on the map inside here, like on the calendar that you get over here. But with FieldTask, you get the map view of the jobs as well inside HighLevel. So you just need to go to jobs in map, and after that, as you can see, these are the 4 jobs that I have for today. You can check for other days as well. So in most of the features that FieldTask is offering, there are multiple filters and settings that you can use to customize. Like let's say you can filter it down based on individual assignees. You can check like if the job has been missed, like let's say the cleaning business or the home service business or plumbing or roofing business that you are serving wants to know what are the jobs that has been missed on the map. So you can just select missed, and all the jobs that has been missed, or let's say completed or in progress or going on, it will be showing up on the map. So you can see all the details over here. Or let's say if I want to just select this job will be showing up. Yeah, so it is pretty cool. And the scheduling calendar that we have also offers drag and drop. So you can drag and drop any job that you have on different days. If you want to make some edits, you can just select and drag and drop it in any place that you want. So any home service client that you have, I believe, will love these features. And if I go to routes again, I can check the live location of my employees. So if anyone is live, will be showing up over here. If no one is live, I can check the last detected position as well. Like let's say they have been working for today, and they have like completed all the job, and whatever job they have done after completing, I just want to know where they like finished their job from. So I can just come to last detected position and check all their like from where they have checked out. So yeah, you can do it from here. As I have shown you the timesheets, we have timesheet approval as well. So before this gets added to the payroll, you can actually verify it, and it will be added then. And as I was showing, the product that you create inside HighLevel will also be created inside FieldTask. So it really helps when the team is on the field and working. And I have shown you the evidences part as well, where like let's say without FieldTask, maybe you need to use Jobber plus Company Cam or other services. But with FieldTask, all the evidences and things that you get uh, will be timestamp, location stamp, and things like that. So it is very helpful for home service businesses to track those. So you just need to click over here, and any evidences that they have submitted will be showing up over here. The line items that has been used. With FieldTask, you can add documents as well. Let's say you have a planning or something like that that you want your technicians to be known of on the field. You just add a document inside FieldTask, and they will be getting all those. Like let's say this was job was assigned to 2% and one of them missed, the other one completed. So I'm getting all the details and the evidence that he has added, and also the line items that has been completed for this job. So the beauty is, like let's say the job is done, so I have the line items and the technicians have all these on the field. What they can do from the field is just a click, like let's say send invoice, and invoice will be sent from HighLevel. So you basically uh, giving a very solid experience from HighLevel if you like use FieldTask plus HighLevel for home service client. And after that, we have other feature as well. So I'll not go into details into all of those today, since the time constraint. But you can try it out. We offer 10 days free trial. From the 10 days free trial, you can try it out. We offer support. Like if you need help in onboarding, you can just knock out team, and our team will be there. We offer 24/7 support. And yeah, there are some cool features like quick actions. You can, if you want to create quick job, schedule, customer, or invoice, whatever you are doing over here is also syncing with high level, or whatever you're doing in high level is also syncing with FieldTask. Like the dispatching part, like how cool is it? Like you are creating a job in high level or an appointment, the team is being already dispatched on the field. And once they start working, FieldTask track their route. You can optimize route before dispatching those. You can track their live location. You get their timesheet. You get their attendance. Calculate the payroll. You can also actually geofence the customer location as well. So the process is really simple. Like you can do it manually as well, but things are automated as well. Like let's say whenever you are syncing the contact, so if the contact has location on it, so whenever a job is being created, the location is being automatically geofenced. So let's say I want to create a job like manually, not doing it syncing with high level, or I have a job on the field that I need to do it now. Maybe I want it to back sync like from field text, then it gets synced with high level. Like from field text, the job will go to high level calendar. So you just create a job, any job that you have. Let's say I'll just name it test job, and the customer is already getting synced with high level. So let's say I just select this customer, so this customer is already saved in high level, and whatever location this customer is in, if you see over here, the location is getting geofenced. So what geofence does is, without getting inside the location, employee won't be able to track their time or start working on it. And whenever they go inside it, the app will clock them in, and they can start working. You can add documents and things like that. So this one was like just to show you all the capabilities inside the job feature. But you don't need to do it manually as well. You can just create details from here in the high level calendar. Or let's say whenever someone books a call with a team, maybe they need to go to the location, so they are being automatically dispatched with field task. And yeah, so I would request you to try out the free trial, and any queries that you have, just let us know. We have 24/7 support. Hopefully we'll be able to help you. Thank you so much, and thanks to Paulson and the high level team for allowing us to showcase the app as well in this spotlight session. Thank you so much.